Stop calling it a streaming box. Seriously, stop it right now. If you think the device Apple is releasing in 2026 is just another way to watch Netflix or YouTube, you are looking at the completely wrong picture. You are missing the forest for the trees. Apple is not building a competitor to the Roku or the Amazon Fire Stick anymore. Those wars are over. They are done. What is happening inside the secret labs in Cupertino right now is something much scarier for companies like Sony and Microsoft. The 2026 Apple TV isn't a TV box. It is a stealth console disguised as a puck. It is about to change the entire hierarchy of your living room, and most people won't even see it coming until it is already plugged into their television. Today we are going to tear down the streaming label once and for all. We will reveal what this device actually is. It is a Mac Mini for your television. It is a dedicated AI server for your home. It is the final nail in the coffin for the traditional game console. To really understand why this specific device is going to go viral, you have to look at the Trojan horse strategy Apple has been playing for the last decade. For years, tech reviewers asked why the iPad needed an M4 chip, or why the iPhone needed hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Felt like total overkill. But it was not overkill. It was a rehearsal. Apple has been training developers to build console-quality games for their specific architecture for years. They have been quietly building a library of AAA titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. Now, in 2026, they are going to release the hardware that finally unleashes that library on the big screen. The new Apple TV is rumored to ship with a variant of the A19 or a binned M-series chip. This is not mobile power anymore. This is laptop power. It is the ability to play modern games at 60 frames per second without sounding like a jet engine. Think about the math. A PlayStation 5 is huge, loud, and expensive. The 2026 Apple TV will likely cost less than half of that. It will be silent and tiny. Apple is not trying to steal the hardcore gamer. They are stealing the other 90% of the population. They want the dad who has 20 minutes to play or the teenager who wants to play NBA 2K with friends. This device creates a bridge no other company can build. You start a game on your phone on the bus, come home, and your controller connects to the TV to resume the exact same game instantly. There are no loading times or massive updates. It is just seamless continuity. But gaming is only half the story. The real viral feature is the AI upscaling revolution. Nobody has native 8K content, so why is Apple pushing 8K support? It is for the neural engine. The new chip is designed to take old, grainy content and use AI to upscale it in real time. It sharpens edges and fixes lighting. You could watch a sitcom from the 90s and it will look like it was shot yesterday in 4K. Then there is the concept of the home brain. Right now, smart homes are slow and creepy because they rely on distant servers. The 2026 Apple TV changes this by becoming a local server for your house. Everything happens right in your living room. Voice recognition, automation, and security camera analysis stay on the box. This means it works instantly, even without internet, and your privacy stays inside your house. This device also becomes the wireless base station for future Apple headsets. Imagine a light vision headset that doesn't need a heavy battery, because the Apple TV beams the data using a Wi-Fi 7 chip. It makes the hardware affordable and comfortable. Physically, the box is getting a major redesign to handle this power. It might be taller with a high-efficiency cooling system like a mini Mac Studio. There are even rumors of a glass matrix display on the front to show the time or Siri animations, turning it into a piece of premium furniture. The biggest game changer is the built-in camera. You won't have to prop your phone up for FaceTime anymore. The camera will use center stage to track you as you move. But it is also for gesture control. You could pause a movie or change the volume with a simple hand wave. With added Thunderbolt ports, it even becomes a home media server where you can host your own massive library of 4K movies. The reason for the 2026 delay is the software. Apple is building HomeOS or tvOS 20 to blur the line between a computer and a TV. It will have proper multitasking and support for Professional NAL apps like Zoom. The 2026 Apple TV is the one box to rule them all. It is a media center, a gaming console, a smart home server, and a privacy shield. It makes every other device look like a flip phone. My opinion. This product represents the ultimate convergence of Apple's ecosystem. By moving the brain of the home into a single, powerful, and private hub, Apple is solving the fragmentation of the smart home, and the high cost of entry for gaming. It is a brilliant move that turns the most overlooked screen in the house into the most powerful one. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.